rich I'd have the time that I like to sit in the synagogue and pray, and maybe have a seat by the eastern wall. And I discuss the holy books with the learned men 7 hours every day. And that would be the sweetest thing of all. If I were a rich man, all day long I'd really bum. If I were a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work hard. Long live the lion and the lamb. You did creed I should be what I am. Wouldn't spoil some vast eternal plan. If I were a wealthy man.
Calvinist rubbish.
Asher is so good.
Yeah, it's,
Yeah, I haven't seen that in a long time.
what's his name?
Oh, well, as is tradition, there's also the song Tradition from this movie.
It's true.
Props to Max for that one.
Brilliant.
As is tradition.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Paul.
Yo.
Love it.
There is a challenge. It's actually for Ian, but he's not sitting in the chair at the moment. For you to honk a simple tune on the horn.
Amazing.
No.
Yes!
No.
Honk it away.
Awkward white girl day.
Wait.
A simple tune of your choice. They're like
Okay.
Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, or Jingle Bells, or
Is that what you're trying to like?
No.
do 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 do.
Red Hoodie is going away.
Goodbye, Red Hoodie.
And then we should draw our giveaway. We should draw that giveaway. Also, we hit 537 while everybody was singing "If I Were a Wealthy Man," with another sizable donation from a kind soul out there in TV land. So let's crash cut to Skull Cam.
Anyway, here's wonderful.
Okay.
Although we did notice earlier, it has a lovely skull.
I should probably figure out how I'm going to draw this.
You probably
From
should.
the Dry page. Dry page. No, 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 dry page. All right.
Batman of the Bat.
Yeah.
I'm losing.
What? That was nothing here.
What even
Plan is
words?
simple. We draw the Batman.
May as well run it till now. How much did we say it was? $10.11. Get exact. Get multiples. Number of winners 1. Can I get a drum roll, please? And the winner is no donor account. Yay!
Go make a donor account if that was you.
Go make a donor account. I guess
Say, like, the
we'll
first
email
bit of
this
the
person
email.
presumably.
Say the first bit of the email.
Yes. So.